Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize YouTube shopping in the US for product sales, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize YouTube shopping for product sales in the US, begin by ensuring you have a YouTube channel that meets the eligibility requirements for monetization. Log in to your YouTube account. Navigate to the YouTube Studio by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, ensure you have a linked Google Merchant Center account. Visit the Google Merchant Center website and sign in or create an account if you don't already have one. After logging in, set up your product feed by clicking on Products in the left-hand menu. Choose Feeds and then click the plus button to add a new feed. Select Shopping Ads as the type of feed and fill in the required details about your products. Submit your product information, including descriptions, prices, and images. Once your feed is complete, wait for Google Merchant Center to review your submitted products. After your products are approved, return to your YouTube Studio. In YouTube Studio, navigate to Monetization and then select Shopping. You will find an option to link your Google Merchant Center account. Click on Link Account and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection. After connecting, you can set up your storefront by selecting Add Products from the shopping menu. Choose the products you want to showcase and add them to your channel's store. Customize your storefront to align it with your channel's branding. Save your changes and ensure your store is visible on your channel. Finally, promote your shopping features in your videos to encourage viewers to explore your products. Monitor your performance through the YouTube Analytics dashboard to optimize your sales strategy. Your YouTube shopping feature is now authorized and ready for product sales in the US. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.